Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Being Nana. So today's video we will not know about account receivable. In this video we will know about credit trace, debtor follow up. So let's start. So first of all we know about what is credit trace, debtors follow up. So by this option you can follow ups with vendors against outstanding payment or the folios of a specified projection period. You can also view the company details and transaction detail made by company. So let's start. So for this operation we will click on debtor follow up tab, and under operations when we click on debtor follow up we will get a window. In this window you can search by company name, or you can choose any specified company, or you can direct search by you can direct hit by search button, so that you can search entire company in one way. And another thing is show advanced search. So what is the show advanced search? So you can search by outstanding amount from to is from aging what to, and there are many more segments. So whatever you desire you can choose the same. In this you can holding company from one to one company, one to many company, and markets by market segment, by city, by folio type, by whatever option you desire you can choose. So in this video we will search with company name. So you can direct search all the particular company, or you can hit on search button so that you can search all the company in one way. So we will select search button. So it's take to some time. So we can select any of company. Once we select any company, when display will open, we will select invoice, check mark on the invoice. When we click the invoice check mark on box, it will highlight some options, like option like remarks. You can remark into remarks field. You can put next follow period, time, projection amount, projection period, and many other options. And you can save that follow up so that in future you can follow up this on same time and same date. And next thing is that whenever you click on any particular bill, it will show a window will open in which you can view the bill detail, outlet, descriptions in the sense name of the company and name of the particular bill using guest and amount. When we click on bill window, any of we can show how many transactions in the day in the bill, like food bill, room service bill, laundry bill, and another settles bill. When we click on a particular transaction, it will show detailed wise view, like whatever he consumed in laundry, whatever he consumed in in dining. And another option is company info. So you can select on company info. By selecting on this option you can view company contact list with mailing address, billing address, holding company, market segment, whatever you feel, whatever you put detail in while making company profile. If you don't have, you contact some other person, like someone resigned, the concerned person, so you can add a new person detail. So what to do, go to define tab, select add name, designation, phone number, whatever detail you have you can put on it. you can see last detail, last if he payment any, so you can see last step detail in this window available. So thank you guys. If you like the information, you can say subscribe my channel. If you like the video, you can share with your friends, and you can also ask me if any doubts in comment section.